Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your DMs on Instagram. Now, if you got a message on Instagram or you just wanted to check and see what your messages are, even message requests, I'm going to show you how to find it on your iPhone, Android, or even a computer. Now let's jump right in. Now, first just tap on the Instagram app on your iPhone. They recently moved this around. At the top right, you can see a heart icon, and at the top right, there used to be the messages icon or DMs at that point. However, they have now moved it to the bottom. You can see home, reel, messages, search, and profile. Tap on the little paper airplane icon at the bottom center for your DMs, and you'll be able to see messages. You can just tap on any message to be able to read it. You can also tap on requests at the top right to go to your message requests, as well as your hidden requests if you want to just go in here and check those as well. If you go back out of here, you'll also be able to see if I press and hold on these, I can mark them as unread, I can mute them, I can delete them, and of course I can respond to any messages on Instagram or DMs as well. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy that one as well. Thanks, guys.